Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, you know very well that last time we had started the new chapter. This was Internet as a Post Office. This is chapter number 7, given on our books, page number 107. Internet as a Post Office. Okay. So we were going through different terminologies, and I think we had done up to these things. What is meant by ISP, Internet Service Provider? We had discussed about it, and what is meant by modem, web page and web browser, website. What is meant by www, Uniform Resource Locator? We had discussed about it is basically the address of a website, that is called URL. Internet address is maybe in the form of numbers, which is called IP address, or it would be in the form of, you know, the characters or letters, which is basically called a web address, which is basically a URL. Similarly, we discussed about the, I think up to here we had done. Yeah. Okay, when we are discussing about the websites, so websites में हमने कहा था कि we have got different extensions for the websites which exhibit their type. मतलब .com means commercial websites, .edu means educational websites, .gov means the websites which belongs to different government organizations, .net for networking organizations, networks, .org for different types of organizations. So these are basically the different kinds of extensions which are used for different types of websites, and countries are also exhibited by the extension, just like .pk for Pakistan, .om for Oman, .uk for England, United Kingdom. Okay, so I think this thing is quite clear, and we had discussed up to here. Now we are going to discuss about what is meant by email services. Email services. The page is displayed in front of you. I would like you people to comment about it. Email is not something that you don't know about. You know very well about the email. Just raise the hand and tell me, what is an email? How do you send email? And what kind of requirement is there in order to send or receive email? But definitely I won't be able to ask everyone. A number of students, this thing is good. A number of students have raised the hand, but I'm going to take few responses. Okay. And only those should raise the hand who are replying for this question. If you have got any other query, so we will talk about later about it. Right now, I need to accomplish the current lesson. So I'm talking about this thing that I'm discussing right now. Okay. Yes, Rimsha Zia. What is meant by email?
Sir, can I answer now?
Yes, Rimsha, quickly.
Sir, it is an electronic message sent from one computer to another, and we can also chat and text with each other. On it, we can send pictures, we can send images.
Good. Good, fine. Yes, Daniel.
Sir, email.
Yes.
Email is a way to send messages, which is very faster and can reach in any part of the world, and it is sent in Gmail.
Good. What we need to do, Hiba Imran, can you tell about it? If I want to send email to some person, what should I have? What we need to have for that purpose?
Sir, we used email.
Email we use definitely. What should I have? Every person can send the email. How? All the students will keep the cameras closed.
Sir, by entering the code.
No, I am talking about what kind of thing is there that you must have.
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't understand your question.
Good. You did not understand. Matlab, for example, do I need to have any account or something, or every person can send email?
Yes, sir, we need an account
We
for
need an
that.
account. Okay. Where do we make that account?
Sir, we made that account means like which website we are using.
Yeah, some kind of that is
Website,
called email server. Some kind
email
of
server.
website which is basically called the email server, on which we are creating account. Just like, can anyone give me the examples of email servers on which we can make the email account? Yes, who will tell me about it? Examples of the email server where we can make the account. Yes, Iman Zafar, quickly.
Gmail, yeah.
Gmail, Yahoo, Live.com, Outlook. A number of email servers are there. Na? You can make account and you can send email. Okay. Two persons email in the world can be same. ऐसा हो सकता है कि the two persons email is same in the world? Is this possible? Yes, Muazzam Tahir. Can you tell about it? Muazzam, have you listened the question? I am unable to listen to you. Yes. My question is that two persons email could be same. Is this possible? I think some problem is there, Muazzam, with your mic. I am unable to listen to you. Nabiya Siddiqui. Yes. Can you tell about it? Those who have raised the hand, they should first note down that their mic is switched on or not. They should note it down. They should attach mic if their laptop's built-in mic is not working properly, so they should attach the mic. Otherwise, I won't be able to listen, and then this way our time will be wasted. Solif Ibrahim, can you tell about it? Okay, two persons' email address could be same. Will be same.
No, it's not possible.
It won't be
No.
same. Why? Can you give any example? Either the ID will be different or the domain name will be different. Fine. For example, my ID is ali@gmail.com and your ID is also for example Ali, but it is at yahoo.com. So it would be possible that IDs are same, but in that situation the domain name will be changed. Otherwise, the IDs will also be changed. On a same domain name, you can't make two same IDs. So that's why this is the thing. Okay, two persons' email IDs will never be same in the world. Okay. अच्छा जी. Now come towards the different options available in the email whenever we are sending or receiving emails. So email is definitely quick, speed is very high. If we compare it by manual letter sending, so manual letter reaches in days, but email reaches in second. Okay. Content. What kind of content is there that you can send on email? Please raise the hand. Now raise the hand for the next questions that I am asking. Keep in mind. What kind of content is there that we can send on the email? What are the things we can send on the email? Saad Fayaz. Yes. Abdul Rahman.
We can send text, images, and documents.
We can send not only text but also images, but also even we can send attachment of different kinds of documents. Documents भी भेज सकते हैं. And even we can send the different kind of files, animation files, audio files, video files can also be sent using attachment, but there is always a limit because we are using a free account. Na? So in the free account, we have got some limits of data. For example, normally the email limit is 25 MB in the Gmail. So you can send the data up to 25 MB. Okay, not more than that. Cost, there is no charge. You are just using internet. No charge is there. No money is there that you are going to give to send an email. Receiving messages is quite easy. When the person will log in it, he will be able to receive. You don't need to be at home, just like for letters. What happens for the letters? When you have got some letter, so when the postman will bring the letter, so you need to be at home. But for email, you don't need to be at home. Whenever, then the topic is there at the page number 109, email address. Whenever we are creating an account, so we need a username and password. So we set a username and password on some kind of server, which is called a email server. And that email server, what do? We create an account. Sometime our name is already available, someone has taken. For example, for example, one student is there. Let's suppose Saad Fayaz is creating the email address and someone has already taken the name Saad Fayaz. So he will not be able to make account. So what he will do, he will add some numbers with it, or he will take some different word in order to make a unique ID. For example, he will write Saad Fayaz, let's suppose 2010. Okay, then he will be able to make the account. This happens now when your ID that you are going to take, someone has already taken, so you are going to take some unique name, username, then you are allowed to make the account. Acha ji. So email address will have how many parts? Therefore, the two parts of email address are there: user's login name and the computer address, which is basically called the domain name on which we are creating. This is called domain name. Domain name se milkar banta hai. For example, right now you know that my email address is mohammadowais.mcs@gmail. So you know that mohammadowais.mcs is my ID, and @gmail.com is basically gmail.com is the domain on which I have created. An @ will always come. Always there would be @ and a dot and the extension of the website on which we are creating the account. Okay. Now, whenever we send email, whenever we open the email account, you will be able to see that. Let's suppose, let me show you this thing on. On the Gmail. Okay. You will see that whenever we log in our ID, so you will be able to see that we have got some different options over here. No? We have got some different options. This is one of my Gmail ID. So you can see that some options are there. What are these options? I am going to explain you. Inbox. What happens in the inbox? You know very well about it. Inbox is the area where you receive. Achha, can someone explain these all things? One student, or lower the hand, just lower the hands. All these students, just lower the hands. When I will ask, then you will raise the hand. Achha ji. Can someone, any student can explain different options available over here? What is meant by compose? What is meant by inbox? What is meant by sent? What is meant by drafts? What is meant by important? What is meant by trash? What is meant by spam? Yes, Iman, can you explain it? All these students will listen it carefully.
The compose button means to write the mail.
Yeah,
Inbox
compose.
means
Okay.
Inbox means the mails that have been sent to you. Start means if you can start different emails, the important emails, so that you can check them later. Snoozed means I'm not sure. Sent means it shows the emails you have sent, and yes.
Okay. What is meant by drafts? Actually, these all are the folders. Good, Iman, you have given the right answer mostly. These are basically the folders, you know. Inbox का मतलब क्या है? Inbox, which one? Some folders are there which are common, some are there which are especially given in the Gmail. These are not available on the servers. Inbox, the emails that you receive. Okay. Similarly, send the emails that you have sent. These are the emails that I have sent. Drafts, the email that I wrote but I did not send. I have written the email but I did not send the email. So that will be saved in the draft. But when I will send it, so it will be removed from the draft and it will come in the sent items. Getting this thing? Acha ji. Trash क्या होता है? What is meant by trash? Trash means when you delete an email, it will come here in the trash. For example, if I go to my inbox and let's suppose if I need to delete some email, for example, this is the email. I click on the delete button. So when I will go to the trash, so it will be available over there in the trash. Okay. So it will be available in the trash. So when I will see there, so this is there. So those emails that we delete, these come in the trash. When we delete it from here, even delete forever करेंगे, so then it is permanently deleted. मतलब trash is behaving like a recycle bin. Trash is behaving like a recycle bin. Then come towards the spam. Spam is the basically area where unknown emails that you don't know from different vendors, the promotion emails and such kind of emails are there. Those emails come in your, not in your directly in your inbox, but these are stored in the spam mail. Okay, the bulk mails are there which come in the spam mail. Okay. Now, if you go to the chapter, you will see that inbox is covered now. We have discussed about what is basically inbox. Send we have discussed. Trash. Contacts are basically the addresses which are there in your email address. So you would have the contacts information that normally you store. You save the contacts in your email account, so that whenever you need to send the email, so you can take the contact from there. So contacts are automatically saved whenever you enter an email address. Then we come towards different options, just like compose, reply, forward and delete. Delete, I have told you. Okay, when you delete one message, so it goes to the trash. Then when you delete forever from there, so it is permanently deleted. Compose matlab when you need to write an email, when we click on the compose, you will see such kind of window. See, this is the window. And this is the window when I clicked on the compose. Now over here, I will write the email address. Okay. For example, I am writing the email address mohammadowais.mcs@outlook.com. This is one of my other email address I am writing over here. So I am sending email over there. Acha, what is these two options are there, CC and BCC? Can anyone tell me about this CC and BCC? What is meant by CC and BCC? Can anyone tell about it? Abdul Rahman. Yes.
So CC means carbon copy.
What does it mean? What will it do?
Sir, we can send the same mail to another person.
Good. What is meant by BCC?
BCC we can also send to someone else, but he will not see that we have sent to another person.
Very good. Very good. But BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Okay. Blind carbon copy में क्या होता है? Good, Abdul Rahman, your answers are good. Carbon copy, if I take, for example, different addresses over here, so those recipients will be able to see that I have sent this email to Ariz, to Abdul Rahman, to Adam Hafiz, to Afan Javed, to different students. Huh? But if I write these names over here, Ariz, Abdul Rahman, Adam Hafiz, Ali Usman, so then those students will not be able to know that who are the other students to whom I have sent this email. They will be unaware कि किस किस को email भेजी गई है. This email has been sent to the students. Who are they? Okay, so they won't be able to know about it. So this is the job, this is the task of the CC and BCC. Carbon copy, when the people are aware who are the recipients to whom you have sent the copy. Blind carbon copy, so you are unaware that who are the recipients to whom you have sent a copy. Okay, so this thing is now clear. Now you can see this thing. When I clicked on the compose mail, I did not type this thing. It was coming automatically. It was coming automatically. How does it come? What does it called? This is called signature. इसको क्या कहते हैं हम? Signature. At the end, when you write your name or your designation or your contact number or your address, this is called your signature. What does it called? This is called your signature. अच्छा, ये कैसे आता है? What does it mean? How does it come? How you are going to? अच्छा, now right now if I am writing over here, this is a new email. So this email I am not sending, but when I will click on the cross button, so it will go directly where? In the drafts. Why? Because I wrote the email but I did not send. I wrote the email but I did not send, so it is coming in the draft. This is a new email coming in the draft. Achha, how we can make the signature? This is basically the thing that we need to understand. Signature ये जो आ रहा है, whenever I am clicking on the compose, you can see that my name is automatically coming over here. This is my signature. How it is coming? So what you can do, you can go to the settings, and in the settings, if you go to the settings options, yeah, settings, detail settings. So you will be able to see, I hope over here, signature option is there or not. Yeah, signature is there. Here is the signature. Where? In the settings. Signature में यहाँ जाके मैंने ये type कर दिया. Whatever I want to give over here. ठीक है? I have given over here. Mohammad Uwais, teacher computer science. Let's suppose if I select this thing, teacher computer science, and I give some, other color to it. Green color and bold. Okay. So now when I will save it, at the end you will see the save button, save changes. Now if I click on it, you will see that the signature has been, sorry, signature has been changed. What did I do? I changed the color of it. You can type anything about your name, address, etc. Okay, fine. So I think now these things are clear now. Acha, what is meant by compose? This is clear now. BCC, CC is clear. Reply and forward. When you have got an email, for example, this is an email that I have got. Okay, this is an email that I have got from one of my other accounts. Okay. Now if I want to reply it, this is the reply button. I will click on it. So then I will be able to reply for it. I will write the reply over here. And when I will, for example, I am writing reply. Now I will send it. So it will be sent. You can see that it will come in my sent items. This is the reply that I have given. I am writing reply. Getting this thing. What is meant by forward? For example, this is the mail that I have got. When I will go there, these three dots, I will see that the forward option is there. Forward matlab, if I want to send the same email If I want to forward the same email to some other person, so I will write his email address over there and then we'll click on the send. So it will be sent to him by sending this, by this option. Okay. So anyway, so these all options are now clear. Compose, reply. Okay, forward, delete. Delete, I have already told you when we delete, it goes to trash. When we permanently delete it from there, so it is deleted. What is meant by print and attachment? Print we कर सकते हैं. For example, this is an email and I want to print it. So print option is there in the Gmail, I think, or Gmail as well. If I want, yes, there is print option, sorry. Print all, when I will click on it, if I have got the printer installed, then I will click on the print button. So it will be printed in this way. You can see the preview. This is showing you the preview. So it will be printed in this way. Anyway, right now I'm not printing. Achha, now attachment, whenever you are sending the email, for example, go to the drafts. This was the email that I was writing. Subject is also there. Now, what is the topic of the email? For example, I am giving you reminder for first term exam. So this is a topic. That is basically a subject that I am mentioning over there. Achha, what is meant by attachment? If you want to send some file, attach file, go to the attach file. Let's suppose one file is there on my desktop. Let's suppose one picture is there that I want to attach, or some kind of text is there that I want to attach. So I will select that particular text. Okay. And when I will send, so this image will also be sent, you know, as an attachment with the email. So attachment matlab whenever you are attaching some document, Word file, Excel file, image file, any other file, so it will also be sent with the email. So now this thing is also covered over here. How open an email account? How do we open an email account? We need to go to some email server, just like we have discussed google.com, yahoo.com, live.com, MSN, similarly Outlook, different platforms are there on which we are going. And then we can, what we can do, we can create our account over there. How do we create the account? We need to have the, you know very well about it. Okay, we need to have the email ID and then we will set the password. We will give the first name, last name, all the basic information, and then we'll be able to create the account. And then when we'll be able to create the account, so we will be able to apply these all options. Compose, I have told you now, na? Compose kaise karte hain? How do we compose? What is meant by CC and BCC? We know about it now. What is meant by CC and BCC? What is meant by attach files? How we can attach the files? What is meant by trash? When we delete a file, it goes to trash. When we delete it from there, it is deleted permanently. How we can create signature? This is the thing that I have already explained you in my Gmail. कि आखिर में जो हम नाम देते हैं, the name that we give at the end, how it should appear, and we don't need to type it again and again. So what we can do, we can give the signature over there. Getting this thing? Okay. Up to here, if you have got any question related to these topics that we have studied, please ask me, please raise the hand. But before, don't raise the hand, let me mark the attendance first. Don't raise the hand. No one will raise the hand. Let me mark the attendance first. Acha ji. From Aris Khan to Amina Mustafa of P1A, then Mozam Tahir of P1B, and then afterwards Noor Zishan at P1A, and then Aisha Wasim. Okay ji. Please now, if you have got any question, kindly ask me, just raise the hand. Raise the hand if you have got any question about today's topic that we have discussed. Salaf Ibrahim, yes, what is your question? Quickly. Quickly, you have to ask because...
Sir, when we compose Or when you made an email and send it, when there is BCC and CCC, like it means that the people you're sending, when you click on CC, they can see what you've written there.
No, not means people. People does not mean ke other people. CC matlab ke when we are sending, for example, over here, I am sending my email to right now to mohammadwest.mcs na. But even over here with when I will write the email CC matlab one copy will be sent to those persons. ठीक है? And they will know about each other ke who are the persons to whom the copy has been sent. But when we will write their names in the BCC, so they will not be able to know that who are the other persons to whom the copy has been sent. Getting?
So you're copying it and sending it to another person.
We are sending the copy to different people using CC. We are also sending the copy to different people using BCC. But in case of BCC, the people, those who are receiving, they won't be able to know who are the other recipients. Okay? Yasir.
Then you have revised my project because I have sent it in my sister email because I have used her laptop.
अच्छा देखो मैं आपको एक और बात बता दूं. Listen, all of you, listen carefully. If your email address is not correct, if your name are not correct, name अगर सही नहीं है आपका, listen and pay attention. This is very important thing that I am going to explain you. If your name is not coming in your Google Classroom and your name is not correct, I am not going to give you marks. Because how will I identify who is this student? How will I identify? ठीक है? So I should be able to identify the students, na? And I am not able to identify. You are writing some other name. For example, this is the name which is appearing over here. Okay. So how you can change this name? Please pay attention and see the steps. See the steps. This is my email ID. Log in your email ID. Go to the settings. Again, go to the settings. And in the settings, you will be able to see the option to rename yourself. How you can rename yourself? I will give you one video as well for this that I have made. Let me show you how to rename yourself. Dear students, I have already informed you that all the students will come in their Google Classrooms with their actual names. If your name is not correct in your Google Classroom, how you are going to make it correct? How you are going to rename it? You will log in your Gmail ID just like you can see that my Gmail ID is open in front of you. You will go to your manage your Google account option. Okay. Because this is shown at the right corner, you will go from there, manage your Google account option. And over here, you can see that personal information is there. You will click on it, personal information will be coming to you. And when you will go to your name option, you will be able to see that the name option is there. And from here, you can change your name. The first name and last name should be according to the... Now, I think this thing is now clear. Okay, you will go to your, over here, let me show you. Okay, you will go to your picture icon which is there and you will go to your manage account. Okay, manage account you will go to the personal information. You will go to the name. Your name is there. Go to it and type name over here, your first name and last name as given in your attendance register. So then it will be correct. It will be correct in your Gmail Google Classroom. Okay? Now this thing is clear now. I don't have much more time to take the questions. Hiba, what is your question?
Sir, I want to say that if we want to send means one email to 3-4 persons, how we can on that time? How can we send?
3-4 पर्सन?
Yes, one email.
हाँ, वन ईमेल में आप बहुत आसान है, यहाँ पे अब आप देखो अब
No,
यस
one email to 3-4 persons.
या
Sir, एक साथ
that I am explaining you right here. For example, Mohammad Uwais, one email is this, ठीक है, second email is this syllabus for ICT. This is my another email, ठीक है, at gmail.com, ठीक है. Second email आ गया ये. Write down the third आ गया ये, ठीक है, in this way. Dot
okay.
at Gmail. Now you are sending to multiple people. Fine. Okay, ji, thank you so
Yes.
much. Our class time is now over. I hope I have replied for almost all the questions. You can see the video. All the things are covered that we have done. The reading and these all things up to page number 114. You will remember it and we'll start it from here tomorrow. And we'll take the questions as well if you have got any. So we'll discuss inshallah in the next class. Note down your question if you have got about these studies. Okay. So then we'll discuss inshallah in the next class. Inshallah tomorrow we'll have the next class, so we are going to discuss these all things. You can see the video in your Google Classroom for this lesson. Thank you so much.